Hello students, in previous lecture we studied some important polymers like Teflon, polyacrylonitrile in that nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 and polyester polymers. Today we will study the next important polymer Buna S. It is also known as styrene butadiene rubber, that is SBR. It is an elastomer which is a copolymer of styrene with butadiene. The copolymer is usually obtained from 75 parts of butadiene and 25 parts of styrene subjected to addition polymerization by the action of sodium. Buna S is vulcanized with sulfur. The reaction for the preparation of SBR is as shown in figure. N molecules of 1,3-butadiene, that is 75% of N molecules of 1,3-butadiene, that is structure is CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2, when added with N molecules of styrene, that is C6H5CH double bond CH2. Here 75% of butadiene and 25% of styrene is added and they undergo copolymerization forming Buna S having structure CH2 CH double bond CH CH2 CH C6H5 CH2 N times. This SBR rubber is formed. Properties of Buna S is Buna S is superior to natural rubber with regard to mechanical strength and has abrasion resistance. Uses of Buna S are Buna S is used in inner tubes for tires and motors, that is in tire industry, and it is also used in bubble gums. Classification of Buna S is based on source, it is synthetic polymer. Based on structure, Buna S is branched polymer. Based on mode of polymerization, Buna S is addition polymerization. Based on intermolecular forces, Buna S is elastomer. Based on type of monomers, Buna S is heteropolymer. Now, next important polymer is neoprene rubber. Neoprene, it is also called as polychloropropylene. This polychloropropylene or neoprene is formed by the free radical addition polymerization of chloropropylene. The reaction is given as N molecules of chloropropylene having structure CH2 double bond CCl CH double bond CH2 as shown in figure undergo polymerization and there is formation of neoprene having structure CH2 CCl double bond CH2 N times. This chloropropylene polymerizes rapidly in presence of oxygen. Vulcanization of neoprene takes place in presence of magnesium oxide. This vulcanization reaction is given as shown in figure. When this neoprene undergo vulcanization in presence of magnesium oxide, there is bonding between carbon, in between them is oxygen. That means vulcanization of neoprene takes place in presence of magnesium oxide as shown in figure. Properties of neoprene. Neoprene is particularly resistant to petroleum, vegetable oils, light as well as heat. Uses Neoprene is used in making hose pipes for transport of gasoline and making gaskets. Neoprene is also used in manufacturing insulator cable, jackets, belts for power transmissions and conveying. Classification of neoprene is given as: based on source, neoprene is synthetic polymer. Based on structure, it is linear polymer. Based on mode of polymerization, it is addition polymerization. Based on intermolecular forces, neoprene is elastomer. And based on type of monomers, neoprene is homopolymer. Now, next topic we will study here: biodegradable polymers. The definition is like this: the polymers which are degradable by microorganisms within a suitable period, so that the polymers and their degraded products do not cause any serious effects on environment, are called biodegradable products. In spite of large number of useful applications, polymers are blamed for creating environmental pollution. To strike the golden mean, certain new biodegradable synthetic polymers have been developed. There are two classes of biodegradable polymers: aliphatic polyesters and aliphatic polyamides, with large proportions of polar linkages. For example, aliphatic polyester polymers are PHBV, that is polyhydroxybutyrate valerate, and dextron. Examples for aliphatic polyamide polymer is nylon to nylon 6. Disposed natural waste are usually attacked by soil microbes and get degraded to humus. But most synthetic polymers and plastic cannot be degraded by microbes, and they stay in the environment for a long period of time, causing pollution problems. Therefore, to overcome this problem, biodegradable polymers are being developed. These polymers contain functional groups similar to those in biopolymers such as proteins. Now let us study about PHBV. It is aliphatic polyester polymer. It is copolymer of two bifunctional groups, beta hydroxycarboxylic acids, namely first one is beta hydroxybutyric acid, that is 3-hydroxybutanoic acid, and second one is beta hydroxyvaleric acid, that is 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Hydroxyl group of one monomer forms ester link by repeating with carboxylic group of the other. Thus, PHBV is an aliphatic polyester with name poly beta hydroxybutyrate co beta hydroxyvalerate, that is PHBV. It is degraded by microbes in the environment. The reaction is as shown in figure. N molecules of beta hydroxybutyric acid added with N molecules of beta hydroxyvaleric acid, there is linking takes place and formation of PHBV is obtained, having structure OCH-CH3, CH2, COO, CH, CH2CH3, CH2CO n times, as shown in figure. Classification of PHBV is based on source. PHBV is synthetic polymer. Based on structure, it is branched polymer. Based on mode of polymerization, it is condensation polymer. Based on intermolecular forces, it is thermoplastic. Based on type of monomer, it is heteropolymer. And based on biodegradability, it is biodegradable. Now we will study about nylon 2 nylon 6. It is a polyamide copolymer of two amino acids, namely glycine and epsilon aminocaproic acid. The reaction is when N molecules of glycine having structure NH2CH2COOH when reacted with epsilon aminocaproic acid having structure NH2CH2 5 times COOH undergo polymerization on heating, and there is formation of nylon 2 nylon 6 having structure NHCH2 CONH CH2 5 times CO n times. It is biodegradable polymer. The classification of nylon 2 nylon 6 is given as on the basis of source. Nylon 2 nylon 6 is synthetic polymer. Based on structure, it is linear polymer. Based on mode of polymerization, it is condensation polymer. Based on intermolecular forces, it is thermoplastic. Based on type of monomer, it is heteropolymer. And based on biodegradability, it is biodegradable polymer. Now, apart from these all polymers which are already we discussed, there are much more commercially important polymers which are used extensively. Structures, their monomers and applications of some polymers are given in chart. Observe this chart and learn it well. Now in the chart, the first polymer whose trade name is Perspex, or it is also called as acrylic glass, having monomer methyl methacrylate. Polymer structure is given as shown in figure, and its application is it is used in lenses, paint, security barriers, LCD screen, shutter resistant glass. Next one is Buna N. Trade name is Buna N. Its monomer is butadiene and acrylonitrile. Its polymer structure is given as shown in figure. Its application is Buna N is used as adhesives in rubber belts. It is used in shoe soles, O-rings and gaskets, etc. Next polymer is PVC. Its trade name is PVC, means polyvinyl chloride. Monomer used for this compound is vinyl chloride, and the structure is as shown in figure. Application of PVC. It is used for water pipes, raincoats and flooring. Next polymer is polyacrylamide. Monomer used for this acrylamide. Its structure is given as shown in figure. Applications is polyacrylamide is used, or this gel is used in electrophoresis. Next polymer is urea formaldehyde resin. Monomer used for this are urea and formaldehyde. The structures are given as shown in figure. Applications are urea formaldehyde resin is used in unbreakable dinnerwares, decorative laminates, etc. Next polymer is glyptal. For this glyptal, monomers used are ethylene glycol and phthalic acid. The polymer structure is given as shown in figure, and glycerol is used in paints and liquors. Next polymer is polycarbonate. Monomer used for this polycarbonate is bisphenol and phosgene. Polymer structure is as shown in figure. Applications are: polycarbonate is used in electrical and telecommunication hardware. It is also used in food grade plastic containers. Next polymer is thermocol, made from air-filled thin-walled beads of polystyrene. The monomer used for this thermocol is styrene. The polymer structure is as shown in figure. It is used for non-biodegradable styrene can leach when heated, and therefore it is banned. It cannot be mostly used in everyday life. Now here is the end of our chapter, Introduction to Polymer Chemistry. Thank you.